Working with Excel. Introduction. In the previous chapter, you learned the basic of Excel 2016, including launching the Excel window, creating a workbook, entering data, and performing basic calculations. In this chapter, you will learn more features of Excel, focusing on editing and formatting the worksheet. Selecting cells. In addition to entering data into a worksheet, you can perform various other operations with data, including copying, moving, modifying, and deleting. However, before performing these actions, you need to select the data. Excel offers several methods for selecting cells. Single cell. Click on the cell. Multiple cells. Click on the first cell and drag the mouse diagonally to the destination cells. Entire row column. Click on the row heading to select the entire row and on the column heading to select the entire column. Entire worksheet. Click on the select all button above the first row and lift to the first column. Contiguous. Adjacent rows and columns. Click on the row and column, then hold the shift key while selecting additional rows or columns. Non-contiguous, non-adjacent rows and columns. Click on the row and column, then press the control key while selecting additional rows or columns. Modifying the content of cell. Excel provides you with the facility to modify the content of cells. It can be done in two ways: replacing the entire content. The first one is to replace the entire content of the cell by clicking on the cell and overwriting or replacing it with a new content. Follow the steps given below to change the content of cell. 1. Create a workbook with enter the data as shown in figure 3.2. 2. Select the F4 cell which has a value 89. 3. Now type 82 in the cell and press enter. 4. The value of the F4 cell will be replaced by a new value dice 82 as shown in figure 3.2. Using the edit mode. There are situations where you only need to change the part of the content of cells. In this case, you are not required to replace the entire content and write from scratch. You can use the edit mode to do the same. Follow the steps given below to activate the edit mode and change the content of cell. 1. Double click the cell whose content has to be changed. 2. The edit mode is activated and the blinking cursor appears in the clicked cell as shown in figure 3.3. 3. Mark the required changes and press the enter key. Undo and redo command. After modifying the values as described in the preceding section, you will want to rewind the changes or retrieve the previous content. To do so, you can use the undo and redo tools within the quick access toolbar of the Excel window. The undo command is used to reverse the last action and the redo command is used to replace the last undo operation. To access more commands, click on the buttons on the quick access toolbar as shown in figure 3. Copying and moving data. Like Word, Excel offers the cut, copy and paste commands available on the clipboard group. On the Home tab, allowing users to copy and or move the content of the cell. The copy and paste command makes the copy of the content available to a new location and retains its original location. On the other hand, the cut and paste command is used to move the content to the new place and remove it for its original place. Copying the content. Follow the steps given below to copy the content. 1. select the cells we want to copy. For example, we have selected range of cells A4 is to F4 as shown in figure 3.6. 2. Click on the copy option from the clipboard. The content of the cell will be copied. 3. Now click on the destination cell. Let us say A11 and click on the paste option. 4. The data will be copied to the new location. Moving the content. Follow the instruction given below to move the content. Step 1. Select the cuts you want to move as shown in figure 3.8. Step 2. Click on the cut option from the clipboard. The content of the cell will be copied. 3. Now click on the destination cell, say A11 and click on the paste option. 4. The data will be removed from the original location and pasted to the new location. Column width and row height. By default, the height of the row is 15 points and the width of a column is 8.43 units. In Excel, you have the flexibility to change the height of the row and the width of the columns, improve the readability of the content of the cells. Follow the steps given below to set the new height of the rows and width of the column. Step 1. Select the range of cells, say A1 is to F10 as shown in figure 3.10. 2. Click on the format option in the cells group from the home tab. 3. A drop down list appears. Select the row height or column width under the cell size section. A column width or row height box will appear. Type the value as per your requirements. Inserting rows and columns. While working on a worksheet, you may need to add new information to an existing table. In Excel, you can insert rows or columns between specific cell ranges to accommodate this new data. To insert the rows, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the row heading where the new row is to be inserted. 2. Click on the insert command in the cell group under the home tab. 3. Now click on the insert sheet rows option from the drop down list. 4. A new row will be inserted before the selected row. To insert the columns, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the column heading where the new row is to be inserted. 2. Click in the insert command in the cells group under the home tab. 3. Now click on the insert sheet columns option from the drop down list. 4. A new column will be inserted before the selected rows. Merging cell. Merging is the process of combining two or more cells. When cells are merged, their contents are combined into a single cell. To merge the cells, follow the steps. 1. Select the cells to be merged. For example, AI is equal to F1 as shown in figure 3.18. 2. Click on the merge and center command in the alignment group under the home tab. 3. The cell will be merged into one cell and the content will be aligned in the center. Splitting cells. Splitting is the reverse of merging. It means splitting the cells that were merged to become one cell. To split a merged cell, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the cells you merged in a previous section, for example, as shown in figure 3.20. 2. Click on the merge and center command in the attachment group under the home tab and select the unmerged cells option. 3. The cells will be split and the content of the merged cell will appear in the first cell of the sheet. Formatting worksheet. Beside editing, Excel also provides various formatting features to enhance their appearance, the worksheet. Some common formatting tasks you are perform are changing the font style, applying fill colors, borders and shading to cells. Applying cell borders. Applying borders to cells is a valuable formatting tool that enhances readability and the visual presentation of data. Excel provides predefined border styles that can be instantly applied to cells. Additionally, users can create their custom border styles to suit specific formatting requirements. To apply a border to the cell, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the cell or range of cells where you want to apply the border. 2. Click on the arrow next to the borders command on the front group on the home tab. 3. Select all borders from the drop down list. 4. The border will be applied to the cells. Changing the font style. To change the font style, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the A1 cell as shown in figure 3.24. 2. Right click on the cell and the list will appear. Select the format cell option from the list. 3. A format cell box will appear as shown in figure 3.25. Select the font type, select font style, bold and size to 14. 4. Click on the field tab as shown in figure 3.26. Select the color from the background color section. 5. The font style and the color will be applied to the cells. Modify the worksheet tab. There are several ways to modify or customize the worksheet tab, including starting a new worksheet, deleting a worksheet, renaming, changing tab colors, and more. These options allow users to personalize their Excel workbooks according to their specific requirements and preferences. Let us learn the steps to insert a new worksheet. 1. Right click on the worksheet tab of sheet 1. A list will appear. 2. Select the rename option from the list. The current name of the worksheet will become editable. 3. Type a new name and press the enter key. The new name will be applied to the sheet.